So I have finished the grinder base. Okay, so I'll just close this file using this icon here. Then I will create a new part file, and make sure first things first is that you change the units to IPS. Okay, now we will be creating the handle. Okay, so I'll just create the profile sketch, then top plane. Okay, and then I'll just draw a rectangle, corner rectangle. Okay, make sure for the first sketch you always start at the origin. Okay, and then I'll draw a center line. Okay, the midpoint. Okay, the midpoint is this one. Okay, I'll just press the escape key so that it would be visible for you. Select the center line tool, then the midpoint, there it goes. Okay, I'll just zoom in. So the midpoint is this one. Then connect it to the other endpoint or midpoint of the other side. Okay, I'll just press the escape key. Okay, then I'll smart dimension. So probably this is 4 inches. Okay, and this one should be called this 0.75. So next will be I'll draw circles. Okay, using circle tool that is coincident at the center line. It's probably 3. Okay, as you'll notice, I didn't connect this second circle to the midpoint. Okay, it should be not be connected to the midpoint. Okay, so now smart dimension this one. Probably it has a diameter of 0.2 or 0.20, and this one it has a diameter of 0.125. So since 0.13 is rounded up, I just select the dimension line, then change the precision to 3 decimal places. Okay, 0.125. Then I'll select this or add relation. Okay, so add relation, select this circle and this circle here. Okay, the one that has no dimension, make sure you select the equal relation. Okay, then okay. So the measurement of this circle or the diameter of this circle and that circle are equal. Okay, now I'll provide smart dimension. So the distance of the center of this circle on up to this side is 0.5 or 0.50. Okay, then the distance between this circle and this circle here, the center of them, has a distance of probably 1.50. Okay, and this one has a distance of, let's say, 0.5. Okay, notice that the sketch now is fully defined. Okay, I can move those dimensions by click, hold, then drag. Okay, so that it would fit in the screen. Okay, then I'll just use features extruded boss base to give the thickness. Okay, so let's say the thickness is 0.125. Okay, then okay. So you have your handle here. So the model is finished, so I'll just save that one file, save as, then similar file name, so I'll just change that to handle, saved. So there you have it. You have your second part, which is called handle.